Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kristen. I do a bunch of beauty related videos. Today's video is going to be my Facetory March review and my April unbagging. So if you guys want to see what masks I got and how last month went, then keep watching. One, I'm so sorry that this is behind. Normally I would have had this up at the end of April and it's now the first week of May. That is just because I went away to Punta Cana. If you guys remember in my April favorites video, if you haven't seen that yet, it's linked down below. And I just got all behind on using the masks, and then my April bag came actually while I was away, so there's all of that. That's why this is up so late. And a second thing is we're going to talk about Facetory. If you guys don't know what Facetory is, it is a monthly subscription service where you can get 4 to 7 masks, all depending on what like tier subscription you get. They do start at $8.90 a month, and that is their Forever Fresh subscription. They also have their 7 Luxe subscription, which is $19.90, and then they have their Luxe Plus, which is $34.95. In their Luxe Plus, you do get a lot more skincare items. It's not just sheet masks. Personally, I like just the sheet masks just because sheet masks aren't really something I buy myself often, and I just need to use them more. And ever since I started getting this subscription, I have seen a difference in my skin, which is awesome. In my last video, I did do a more in-depth description on like what Facetory is. If you guys want to check it out, that was just like a little brief thing. Facetory has no idea who I am. I just really like their subscription service so far. I think it's great. Now I'm going to do the March Forever Fresh review. So first we have the Facetory Be Bright BU brightening mask, and this retails for $4. So this mask was really fun because it came with this gold sheet mask. I actually posted a picture on Instagram using it. It was really fun. My skin actually did look brighter, which I was surprised about. It had just like a nice healthy glow and just looked very bright and just fresh. I really liked that. And the one bummer is I thought this was going to smell like lemons, because I think lemon is like one of the things in here. Yeah, lemon fruit extract is one of the ingredients, but it did not smell like lemons, which was a bummer. But on the plus side, it did work. It was effective, so I really can't complain about that. The next mask is the Yada Moisturizing Honey Mask, and this retailed for $3. This made my skin feel super moisturized, and my skin felt moisturized for a very long time, so it was very long lasting, which I really liked. This was, I think, one of the first masks I did from the March subscription, and I regret doing it so early. I should have waited until I came back from my vacation because my skin was so dry. But don't worry, because I did do a mask that saved my skin, and that's the mask I'm going to talk about next. The next mask that actually helped my skin a lot is this Baroness Calendula Flower Sheet Mask, and this one retails for $2.50. This one smelled really nice. I really liked it. It definitely lived up to all of its claims. So this was supposed to help dry and inflamed skin. It also really helped soothe your skin to bring it back to its tip-top shape. Definitely lived up to all those claims. My skin was just, it took a beating from the sun. It was so dry, just really, I got sunburn, long story short, all along my hairline and on my nose. My nose is still recovering, by the way. This just really helped it. My skin did look a lot better, which I really liked, and I was really surprised about. And it really helped the super dryness that was going on in my skin, and just really helped bring it back to life. And then the last mask is this Skin Planet Selection Prestige Gold Lifting Mask, and this retails for $3. So this mask I thought was going to be fun like this one, but it was just a basic sheet mask, which is fine. I was just expecting something more exciting and fun. This one is more towards anti-aging because there is 0.5% gold in here, and that helps with anti-aging, and there's some antioxidants that help fight premature aging and protects the skin from environmental stressors. Probably should have done this one before I went away, but I did not. I don't really see any results, obviously, because I don't really have like any aging in my skin. However, this mask did smell really nice. It smelled like sunscreen and like just the beach, so I really did like that. This was just the one like I didn't really see any results from, but my skin felt really nice, so I guess it did something. March's bag retailed for $12.50, and I definitely think it was worth it. I only paid $8.90 plus shipping and handling, so $9, round that up. I think it was definitely worth it. Yes, I didn't like that last mask, which was the Skin Planet Selection Prestige Gold Lifting Mask, but the other masks definitely did work and they definitely lived up to their claims. I didn't have any breakouts or anything, and all of the masks were just really nice quality. They weren't cheapy feeling or anything, so I think it was a good price. And now on to the April unbagging. I'm so excited because I've been dying to use some of these masks. So this is everything that came in the bag. You always get like a little postcard, and this one says super fruits for super you. Really, really cute. And then, like I said, it's like a postcard. I've just kind of been collecting them so far because I don't really write letters to anyone. Then you get a card also in your bag just saying what the theme of the month is and a little bit about all the masks. So this month is the sky is clear and the flowers are blooming. This month will focus on feeding your skin with the right nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants found in different fruits and botanicals. First is the Facetory Let's Talk Vitality Firming Mask, and this retails for $4. This says, skin in need of a lift, let's talk vitality. This firming mask uses antioxidant-rich punica granatum fruit extract and moisturizing shea butter to return a tired complexion into a plump, hydrated skin. The punica granatum fruit extract, or pomegranate extract, why can't they just say pomegranate? This is an antioxidant-rich ingredient that helps slow down the signs of aging, creating a smooth, supple skin. And shea butter helps soften the skin and protects and creates a protective barrier to seal in moisture. This sounds nice. Probably gonna do this one tonight because my skin needs that protective barrier of moisture because it has been so dry. The next mask we have is the Hello Organic One A Day Water Mask, and this retails for $3. This mask is filled with coconut and rose water. The sheet mask will help add water and moisture to your skin in a natural, it's natural, organic, and vegan, which is always good to know. This sounds amazing. I really like coconut and rose water products. So the Cocos Nuciferia coconut fruit extract is the ingredient that will help moisturize the skin and lock in hydration. And then Rosa centifolia, which is cabbage rose flower water. And that is a therapeutic ingredient that will help deliver antioxidants and soothe irritated skin and has a lovely natural aroma. This sounds awesome. Like, why didn't I do this last week when I came home from vacation too? I might just be doing all these masks in one day. I'm just kidding. I think I might use this one first. I don't know. But this also is a eucalyptus sheet. It says it right here above the barcode. So that's pretty cool. This one sounds really, really interesting. Next up, we have the 24 Miracle Vitamin Facial Mask with Whole Lemon, and this retails for $3. So this mask is great for controlling excess oils and hyperpigmentation, and your skin will be left feeling more invigorated and supple. The key ingredients are citrus lemon fruit extract, and this is a skin brightening ingredient. Lemons will help clear your skin and lighten up dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and sodium hyaluronate helps hydrate skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and strengthens skin. So this sounds really nice. The one thing I'm a little concerned about is all of this is in Korean. Okay. I was like, I can't find how long to put this on, but I'm assuming it's 10 to 20 minutes. So I'll figure it out. That's like the one downside with these masks, is that a lot of them, you really have to just like really read it to see if you could find just the numbers to figure out how long to put this on for. Because it's basically like you got to clean your skin, tone it, whatever, and then put the sheet mask on. But finding out how long can take a little while because some of them don't have the English. Some do have English below it, but others don't, which is kind of hard. There's like a little language barrier sometimes. And then the last sheet mask that we got is from Moksha, and this is the Deer Avocado Mask, and this retails for $3. This creamy mask is a great option for a relaxing night, and the sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated and as smooth as velvet. The key ingredients are Persea gratissima, no idea, but it is avocado fruit extract, and that helps add excellent ingredient to moisturize your skin and add a protective barrier. And then we have mango fruit extract, and that is packed with a nutritional value. This ingredient helps minimize inflammation and rejuvenates your skin. That sounds nice. The packaging of this is definitely different than a lot of masks. Normally they're, you know, like this size of a sheet mask. I've never really seen one that's like this. So this is pretty interesting, the shape. So I'm excited for it. So April's bag retails for $13 and I paid, again, $8.90 for it, plus shipping and handling and tax. So round that up to like $9.90. Still, it's under $10. I'm really excited for all these masks. They sound amazing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see next month's unbagging and review so you guys know how April's bag was. And that is it for my Facetory March review and April unbagging. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of both months' bags. Would you buy any of these masks? Would you try the subscription? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll have all the information for Facetory and all the masks down below in the description box if you guys are interested in joining Facetory or you want to try out any of the masks. If you want to try out Facetory, I'm not affiliate with them. I just want to tell you guys about it because I really like it and I think you guys will too. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'm really trying to get my Instagram to 1,000 subscribers. I'm like 50 away, give or take. So help me get there, please, because I'm like super close and it's like really bugging me. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.